Andrew here guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on dark mode on your Facebook account. So once you're inside Facebook, click your profile picture in the upper right hand side, and there's two ways how to do this. One is you'll be able to find the display and accessibility. Here you want to click on that, and here you'd have the dark mode. So currently mine is off. You can simply toggle it on, or let's say press that radio button, and this will turn on dark mode for you, right? You can also set it in automatic. It's really up to you, and this will be automatically displayed based on your system settings, right? So if you have your computer in dark mode, this will take your system settings. Right now, let me turn this off and show you the second way. Now, once you're inside of Facebook, just simple click on settings and privacy, then click on settings again, and then you want to scroll down towards the left hand side. Under media, you'll have dark mode. So you want to click on that, then it will most likely show that yours is on or off. Click on it, and then you'll have the option to turn it on or off from here. And that's how you can easily turn on dark mode on your Facebook account. Here you have it guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.